courage to think differently, courage to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover something impossible and to conquer the problems and succeed. This witty quote by most honorable and scientist and missile man of India named Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. A. Hello everyone. My name is Gargi Sopan Chaudhary. I am studying in class 11 from Rashtriya Junior College, Chalisgaon. Today I am going to tell you about my favorite scientist and most renowned Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam by KES Group under the Maharashtra's Young Scientist Program. So, Kalam's full name was Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 on holy land of Rameshwaram at Tamil Nadu. His father was pious boatsman. His financial condition was very poor. Kalam took his studies very seriously. He was very studious in his childhood. He used to wake up at 4 a.m. to attend his special maths class. He also used to distribute newspapers to supplement his father's income. One of his favorite pastimes was to watch nature. The sight of birds soaring in the sky fascinated him and created deep longing to drive an aircraft. Kalam once mentioned this to his teacher, and his teacher said that in order to get something, one had to desire intensely. Kalam graduated in physics, but because of some issue, he did not qualify for pilot. And Kalam after that says about this incident that I got failed. Why? Because it was first attempt in my learning. Kalam also said that this is not the end of my career because efforts never end. And they said no to me. Actually, they said next opportunity. Kalam got a vision to see all aspects of life by the specs of positivity. After that, he took admission in Madras Institute of Technology for Aerospace Engineering in Chennai. After doing his graduation, one day he saw an advertising paper. The advertiser of some organization wanted an aerospace engineer. Kalam applied for there and he got selected because of his knowledge. And this became a turning point of his life because this organization was a dawn of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Kalam worked with three great scientists of that time named Dr. Satish Dhawan, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and Dr. Brahma Prakash. He taught with them. He also became a pioneer of a satellite launching vehicle. Initially, this mission failed, but without losing hope or without launching in despair, Kalam again tried and the mission gets successful. At that time, he told to his team that I know that we will get successful because for getting a successful, we have to work hard and to preserve it. After the successful work in space-related program, Kalam turned towards Defense Research Development Organization (DRDO). In it, he became a pioneer of launching Akash, Nag, Prithvi, Trishul and nuclear test of Pokhran in 1998 and hence winning the title of Missile Man of India. In 2002 to 2007, he was also elected as president and making him India's first scientist president of our country. During this time, he did not lose any opportunity to talk with students. He always said to his students that to educate, he also tell them the importance of education and how it can change our future. He also tell them to dream. He used to tell, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transforms our habits and becomes our thoughts and it results in our action. He also tells them that dream is not something which we seize in our sleep. It is something which never lets us sleep. Kalam, with being a president, a scientist, or a teacher, Kalam was a good writer also. He wrote various books like Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, transcendence, and etc. Kalam was also Kalam's personality was spiritual also. He always used to tell that science and spirituality must go hands to hand, because science teaches us new things and spirituality tells us how to utilize them for the peace and for mankind. Kalam said that spirituality is not a superstition, because superstition is a blind belief, but spirituality is a thing which gives our mind peace. In on March 2015, on 27 March 2015, while delivering a lecture on creating a livable planet Earth in Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Kalam got a massive cardiac arrest. He died a way he always wished, to be remembered as a teacher, but not as a scientist or as a president. Kalam, after his after his death, United Nations declared his birthday on 15th October as World Students' Day. This was a great honor for him. He also won the various prestigious award of India named Bharat Ratna. Kalam Kalam became a legend scientist because of his value. So we also have to add his values in our daily life. I, I will stop my speech here with his famous quote that failure will never transcend me until I got a courage to succeed it. Thank you.